what we got here with running. The solenoid's unplugged. Sounds pretty normal. Exhaust sounds normal. No weird grinding sounds or anything. Plug the solenoid in. Doesn't sound too bad up there, but back here, sounds pretty nasty. Boost gauge still at 0. Sounds like she's putting out boost, but not much happening. Unplug it again. No weird sound by the tailpipe anymore. Yeah, there you have it. No idea.